Create content worth promoting. Yes, we know that. We just told you the best content in the world won't help if no one sees it. The other side of that, though, is that nobody is going to watch content that is not good. So, if you want to successfully promote your YouTube channel, you need to fill it with content that's worth promoting. Otherwise, you will find yourself creating lackluster YouTube content that people watch once, never subscribing and never engaging. The simple process for creating YouTube content is this: 1. Choose the right type of YouTube content. 2. Script your video or at least outline it. 3. Record your video. 4. Edit your YouTube video. 5. Upload your video. 6. Add an awesome YouTube thumbnail. 7. Optimize your YouTube video. Post awesome content. YouTube is not rocket science, and it usually comes down to creating high quality, meaningful content. If your stuff is not worthy, promoting your YouTube videos will make no difference because you will basically create a pool of unengaged viewers who will never subscribe to your channel or come back for more. Focus on building quality content on then on how to promote your channel. Keep your viewers in mind, make them happy, and who knows, they might take the reins and support your promotion efforts. Fingers crossed. Build a community. One of the benefits of creating YouTube content is that it helps set you up as an authority in your niche and industry. People will begin to seek you out for your knowledge. You can keep them engaged by building a community. Building a community on YouTube does not have to be complicated. A great way to get started is by simply engaging with them, your viewers, then they comment on your videos, sharing other interesting information, and always adding value to their lives. You can even set up a community section on the platform. Collaboration with other creators. Don't be afraid to collaborate with the YouTube creators and YouTube influencers. This type of cross promotion is beneficial to both parties and works well to expand your reach. Collaborations are simple. Two or more YouTubers work together to create a unique video for each of their channels. To make it happen, start by finding another YouTube personality with an overlapping audience. Then reach out and make your pitch. The content of YouTube collaboration is simple. YouTuber A content YouTuber A contacts YouTuber B and they decide to create two separate videos together. One for YouTuber A's channel and one for YouTuber B's channel. This is called cross promotion. In fact, it can be around since the beginning of YouTube, when many of the original YouTubers like Justin, Eric, and Shane Dawson introducing it for first time. So, if you want to promote your YouTube channel to a relevant audience, first you must find a YouTuber with the same niche as yours. Of audience, you don't want to send an email to superstars because in this business you need to start small. Send an Instagram direct message or a casual, friendly email to a smaller YouTuber. Pitch them the idea and take it from there. Run a contest. Running a contest is one of our favorite ways to promote a YouTube channel for free. Contests tend to bring in a lot of attention and when done correctly will get more YouTube subscribers without artificially inflating your subscribers count. with folks who are just there for the contest and are not really interested in your brand or your content. We recommend giving away something closely related to your niche to keep out those who are not genuinely interested. No matter your needs, you should be able to come up with something exciting to give away. If you are a life coach, for example, you might want to give away a free goal setting session or even month of weekly life coaching sessions. The more value there is to the price, the more interest you will generate. Do not forget that you are running the contest to get more subscribers to your channel. Be sure to make subscribing to your channel one of the criteria for entering.